Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I just came home from school and I literally have less than an hour before I have to go to work, and I just wanted to sit down, play with makeup with you guys, and I came up with this look right here. This is another look using the Colourpop Ooh La La palette right here. I did a first impressions on it, which will be linked in the cards, but this is just such a beautiful bright pink palette. I'm really intrigued by it and I wanted to create a second look with it right here. So yes, this is going to be a quick run through, a quick fire makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how to create this look right here, then of course keep on watching. So that's pretty much it for this makeup look. I am honestly living for it. My wings are huge and it's just so sparkly and kind of duochromy, and I'm obsessed. So thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed this second tutorial using the Colourpop Ooh La La palette. I mean, I've just been obsessed with it and I kind of wanted to do something different from my first tutorial, but still very pink, but at the same time kind of a little bit more interesting, I guess, a little bit more pizzazzy. I will have another video up soon with the review on this palette. I'm still trying it out though. I still want to give you guys a good informed opinion on this. So anyway, I'm in the process of trying this out, so when that video will be up, I will link it in the cards for you guys. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.